Now let's look into a practical example of change in the residual value in respect of a particular property, plant, and equipment. Suppose the purchase cost of a particular property, plant, and equipment is $600,000, and at the year zero here we estimated that the total residual amount that we would be able to fetch is $100,000, which means the depreciable amount would be expense or receivable, the difference, that is $500,000, which means we are going to depreciate $500,000 over the period of 5 years. Now, 1 year passed, 2 year passed, 3 year passed. At the end of third year, at the end of the third year, we understood that we would be able to fetch more than $100,000. That is, at the end of third year, we would be able to fetch $150,000 as my residual value. What should I do now? The thing is, we discussed earlier that this is a change in estimate and the accounting is to be done prospectively. The accounting is required to be done prospectively, which means we will stand at the end of the third year and we will look forward. We will look forward. So here the carrying amount as on this date is as at the end of the third year is $300,000, and we need to make it $150,000 at the end of fifth year, because this is the amount that we will receive by disposing of the asset. So over the period of 2 years we need to depreciate $150,000, which means $75,000 each over 2 years. So this is basically an example in respect of change in the residual value of a property, plant, and equipment.